This is the Infini being used on our patient. The Infini is a microneedling with RF device using insulated needles. So the needles enter the skin and bypass the epidermis because they're insulated and cause a coagulation in the mid to deep dermis. This is used to improve fine lines and wrinkles, laxity, and to thicken the skin. The procedure takes approximately 25 minutes on the face, and if you include the neck, it's another 10 to 15 minutes. It is typically done with just topical. We use a 23/7 lidocaine percent and 7% tetracaine. About 5% of our cases, we also use Pronox, which is nitrous oxide. We will always use the Zimmer cooling device. The downtime for this procedure is approximately 2 to 4 days of some swelling.